Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about beginner's guide to software application testing and how we are earn money through software application testing. So table of content: what is software application testing and software application testing tools, how to test an application. What is software application testing? Application testing refers uh, to the process of testing any software application using scripts, tools, or any test automation framework in order to identify errors. It helps teams release bug-free and robust software applications into the real world. It also enables teams to identify bugs in the early stage of development and save deployment time. Application testing is carried out in two phases: front-end or user inference tested, and back-end testing that verifies the database behavior. Naturally, there are two ways to perform application testing: manual testing. The manual testing approach is used more frequently by developers in the initial phases of the development for testing specific features, and automated testing once the software application is entirely developed. QoS automate test scenarios from the end user's perspective to evaluate the usability, functionality, and performance of the application. Software applications are manually uh, categorized into three types: web applications, mobile application, native apps, hybrid apps, and progressive web apps. Desktop applications. Software application testing tools. An application testing tool is any program that helps QoS manage and regulate the test process. Deciding which application testing software or framework is to be used varies according to the nature of the application to be tested. Now let's explore some of the most popular test and automation frameworks used for application testing. Selenium is the most popular tool suite for automating web application testing. It enabled QoS to verify the cross-browser capability of a web application using Selenium WebDriver. Rational Functional Tester (RFT) can be used as an alternative to Selenium. Cypress, a somewhat recently developed framework, is also fairly useful for effective asynchronous testing. It also uses BDD/TDD acceleration library and browser to pair with any JavaScript testing framework. Of course, like all other tools and framework, Cypress testing is best executed on real browsers and devices. For testing native web and hybrid mobile applications, APM is the most preferred app automation framework in the testing community. QoS can test their mobile applications for both Android and iOS platforms using a premium. It can also automate test cases for desktop applications, Windows, and Mac. As of now, a premium provides beta support for the automation of OS X desktop applications. For visual testing, OPT, for market leader like Parasi, visual testing verifies that the user interface UI and appears correctly to all users. It checks that each element appears in the right shape, size, and position. It also checks that these elements appear and function perfectly in how multiple environments, screen size, OSs. No matter how effective and expensive automation testing is, there are certain aspects of the software that must be tested manually. Human judgment has no substitute Once automation testing wrap up, human testers need to step in, manually check our features as well as acoustics, so as to ensure that the site app appeals to human user, which in the ultimate point manually cross browser testing and manually apps testing in non negotiable and integral aspect of the QA pipeline. So this was the little review of this website. If you are interested in our content, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thanks for watching.